Hi friends, welcome to Nischala's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you another BottleGuard Vada. BottleGuard has loads of health benefits but less importance in Indian kitchen. Throughout this video, I will tell you the health benefits of BottleGuard. So do watch it until the end. Now let's start the preparation. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of grated bottle gourd. I have peeled the bottle gourd and I have grated it. And half a cup of finely chopped onions and half cup of soaked and cleaned chana dal and quarter cup of sesame seeds and 5 green chilies finely chopped because this is the only spice ingredient that we are adding, and few curry leaves chopped finely, and 1 inch ginger chopped into small pieces. Now add 1 teaspoon of zira seeds into this mixture, and here we have taken 1 cup of grated bottle gourd. So take 1 cup of rice flour and add salt as per the taste. Now give all these ingredients a good mix. We haven't added water at all because we've added onion and we've added bottle gourd. Both of them will release water. So mix it nicely and make it into the form of a dough. Now I told you I'll tell you few health benefits, right? They contain antioxidant properties, promotes digestive and heart health, maintains liver health, regulates BP, low calorie count, it's immunity booster, relieves acidity, etc. See, now this should be the consistency of our dough. While I was saying these health benefits, I added a little water and I made the dough in this consistency. Now take a small portion of dough into your hands and press it like how I am showing in the video. Just like how we press for udad vada or masala vada, the same way press it like this. It shouldn't be too thick nor it shouldn't be too thin. It should be of this size. Simultaneously, take oil and pour it in the kadai and heat it. Now, when the oil is hot, gently drop in the vada in the oil and deep fry them until they are in golden brown color. And while you are deep frying these, do not forget to put the flame on medium. You can add 3 to 4 vadas at the same time. Be careful not to cook these vadas on high flame. If you keep the flame high, the color will change but they'll be uncooked inside. So the flame should always be in medium low. This nutrient rich vegetable must be consumed regularly in some way or the other. And we would really be bored to drink it like a juice or just to use it in dal and make it a. We must always find ways to cook healthy things in a tasty way so that even children would love to eat them. And the ingredients that we used here are absolutely health boosters, we should say. We've used sesame seeds, which are very, very good for your bone health and whatnot. Just Google the health benefits of sesame seeds and bottle gourd. You will see loads of them. That's it. We are done. Prepare all the vadas in the same manner from the dough that we have prepared. See, I'm almost done making vadas. We have used 1:1 consistency of rice flour and the grated bottle gourd. Just look at the texture. It's so crispy from outside and soft from inside. Hope you liked the recipe. Do let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. Bye everyone.